The new LS Positioner continues that tradition today, offering an easy-to-use and superbly accurate fence for all of your common router table and table saw cuts, grooving and dadoing, rabbiting, edge forming, jointing, and ripping, while also providing a superior joint-making system permitting everything from box joints, half-blind dovetails, and through dovetails, to a dizzying array of decorative joints that no other dovetail jig will dare to compare to. Take a look at some of the exciting features and many benefits of adding an LS Positioner's accuracy to your next project. The LS Positioner's 17, 25, or 32-inch incrementally positioned carriage provides the basis for INCRA's phenomenal capabilities. The secret lies in INCRA's patented incremental positioning technology. A steel lead screw on the carriage engages with a mating set of threads in the base when the clamp is pulled up. Lower the clamp to disengage and move to a new fence setting. Then, as the clamp is moved to the fully locked position, the opposing sets of threads mesh, positioning the fence at a precise multiple of 1/32. Just use the hairline cursor and scale to put it in the ballpark. As the clamp is locked, the carriage automatically snaps to the nearest 1/32 inch placement, making even complex cut location tasks like the multitude of dados in this chess set's dividers seem almost trivial. With the ability to duplicate any fence position to within less than 1/1000th of an inch, you'll find more advanced woodworking projects easy to master. Need to widen a groove just a hair? Or shave a skosh off the edge of a workpiece? INCRA's micro-adjustable carriage design allows fine-tuning your fence to any position between the 1/32 inch increment spacing. Just dial in the amount of adjustment. The laser-engraved scale bezel keeps track of the movement. Or just count the audible clicks. Each click equals precisely 1/1000th of an inch. After adjustment, the bezel can be re-zeroed for a fresh start on any future project. The 3-position cam clamp provides quick and easy transitions from unclamped to micro-adjust or fully clamped positions. And rest assured, when you pull the clamp up, you're locking down one of the toughest fences in the industry. The etched stainless steel scale is adjustable to accommodate 0 positions for any diameter cutter and is complemented by 4 auxiliary scale slots which accept additional Lexan scales and INCRA joint-making templates. The low-friction linear tracking provides a whisper smooth glide to your next fence setting. The LS Positioner is available in a variety of prepackaged configurations to meet your workshop requirements.